Alright, Caleb, just please kill Ben for me because Ben betrayed our limit turbo. We can do this for you, right? 100%. Alright, just give me the gun you have. So, please, Caleb. Thank you, honey. I'm not your boyfriend. Alright, kid. Why? Okay, what is happening? Okay, guys, what's happening? Why is Ben doing it behind the room? What? Boy, you asked for this, Ben. Season 1, Ben. Keep it on the chest. It's time we keep it beside you. The fella you keep beside you. Kill my God, jeez, Tom. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm looking in, Steven. Oh my God! This guy, yeah, we saw everything, Ben. Yeah, I'm going 911 this guy, yeah. This nigga. Hey, Caleb, do you need a little help? Nah, Ben, you betrayed us. I'm gonna send you on the way after the surgery. No.